papunta na kami sa Whitby. It's 1 hour drive. Pero okay lang, hindi naman maulan. Makulimlim lang, pero according sa weather ay wala namang ulan ngayong araw na to, kaya okay lang. So ito, medyo malamig lang, kaya nagwe-wear pa rin ako ng sweatshirt, jacket ka pa rin. Okay, so let's go to Whitby. So nandito po kami ngayon sa tuktok ng Whitby. Makikita nyo po sa baba ang city ng Whitby. Napakaganda, di ba? Yan. River yan. Dagat ba yan, darling? Is it salt water? Yeah, salt water, right? Alright, okay. Anyway, we're gonna figure out how we're gonna get there down in the city, right? Dapat kasi doon kami pumarada sa baba, pero naligaw kami. Umakyat siya ang nagde-drive kanina papunta rito. Kaya sabi ko naligaw siya. Sabi ko wala na tayong choice. Pero ang advantage, dito pala kami pumarada sa may Whitby. Abi House Tirom. Kainan na naman. So, pero ang ganda ng view dito. Yung mga nasa baba, pag malaman lang nila na maganda palang view dito, pupunta mga yan dito. Kaya lang mahirap mag-park dito. Nakakuha kagad kami ng pwesto sa pag-park. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Look at that view. Unbelievable. I'm gonna fly drones. Darling, what do you think? Palagi ko maganda mag-fly ng drone dito. Dinala ko yung drone. Kaya lang sobrang mahangin dito ngayon sa taas. Whitby Abbey. So, ito yung Whitby Abbey na tinatag noong panahon ni Kopong-Kopong. Yan. So, museum and shop. Right. Ganda rito.
Look, like the man.
Look, yes, the man. So, dito, hindi ko lang alam, pero yun ang napapanood ko palagi sa YouTube. Isa yan sa mga tourist spot dito sa Whitby. So what's the plan?
Going down
We're going down, right?
for the fish and
And fish and chip, my goodness. Food again. Dito sa Whitby, yung street na to, napapanood ko lang to sa movie, sa series. Merong TV show rito na ang tawag ay Captain's Jack. Right? Is that Captain's Jack?
no, old Jack boat.
Old Jack boats. Yeah, dito sinushoot yon. At nagiging tourist spot nga ang lugar na to. Okay, Daleng, where are we heading? Are we heading to the
We're heading to
The sea, right?
again hunt for food
Hunt for food.
because we are
Always food, food, food.
gonna have a fish and chips. And
Yeah?
we're going to the sea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And that's it. We're gonna just have a nice and relaxing day at the sea.
Pink Eye, hold my hand, please. Alright, okay. So dito kami pinadpad sa bridge ng Whitby. Pink Eye, what we're gonna do now is to find the old Jack boat.
But she doesn't remember anymore.
Alright, okay. Come on. Let's go. Ang daming tao. Kasi nga tourist place ito. Malayo lang siya puntahan. Tingnan yung lugar, di ba? Napakaganda. Mga sarap ulit-ulitin to rito. Sa kabila naman, ganun din. Sa kabila. Diba? So, guy, do not touch the metal. You know, virus there. Right. So where do you think we're going?
Beach?
Where? So we're going that side. So pupunta daw kami doon sa side na yon. Food? I think there's a food, so many restaurant. I believe there's so many restaurant there, darling. Do not worry. Okay? You follow the leader, so you will be safe. Follow the leader and you will be safe, man. That's what I'm saying to you. Okay. Okay, what do you want to see exactly here in Whitby? Huh? Yeah? Alright, okay then. Let's go to the beach. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Feel warm?
Did you see that they can catch the crab?
We're catching the crab?
Yeah. But they're small, it's like a
Small crab?
entertainment. So they gonna catch the crab and they release it. Down the side, like,
Galing. Fresh Whitby.
like, 7 years old.
Ganda rito talaga, no? Kaya mo, doon ako nagpalipad ng drone. Kung nakikita nyo yun, nakapwesto ako doon. Nagpalipad ako ng drone. Yan. Ganda rito na lugar na to. Sa kuwan ko lang to napapanood eh. Sa movie. Yung street na to. So ito na. Nandito na talaga ako. Nakaapak na ako sa Whitby. Ang ganda ng lugar talaga. Oo. Saan ka pa makakahanap? Kaya lang daming turista talaga. Kasi nga dito sa England, bukas na lahat. Kita nyo, yung mga tao hindi na nagbe-wear ng mask. Kasi lahat ng adult ay nabakunahan na. Maliban sa mga 16 years old pababa. Alright. Okay, pink guy. You okay? Hungry?
No.
No? Good job. You hungry?
I am full.
Alright, okay. So,
20 minutes before full count. That would be nice.
no. It's the same, darling. I don't want to go to the boat. Yeah, just walking around, I enjoy more. Yeah, I enjoy walking around. Yeah, you just sit down there, darling. What's the difference? We always in the boat. Right, Pinkay? Some kind of sitting in the boat, Pinkay, is boring, right? Yeah?
We need to go for the big one, yeah? We're gonna
Yeah.
put the...
Yeah, we're gonna cruise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, that's correct, yeah? Let's go cruise ship, yeah? Okay? Jackman boat. Over there, oh. See, that's, yeah, he lives there. So, nandito na kami sa seaside. Sa kabila pala, pag nung bumaba kami sa hagdan, kung dumiretso pala kami, diyan kami makakapunta. Kaya lang nag-ikot kami,
Look at me.
kaya kami nakarating dito. Oh, what's this? Oh, fish. Statue fish. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung seaside nila na maganda. Kahit doon pala sa taas, mayroon pagtaas, oh. Ayan. Ganda rito. Ayun! Ano yan? Okay. So, maganda doon, banda. Kaya doon kami sa hagdanan. Yung nakita niyo yung hagdanan, doon kami bumaba. Doon kami nag-park sa taas. So, this place is beautiful, darling, right? Yeah? Beautiful, yeah?
Yeah, I need to go toilet. You can
Huh?
go on queue.
Where?
I'm going toilet and you can go for the... There is a Mr. Chips by the beach. Mr. Chips. Yeah?
What do you want to buy?
Coat.
Huh?
Coat.
Code.
Yes. Buy two. Yeah?
Fish and chips code too.
Two.
Alright,
For
okay.
me and for Sophia.
Alright, and drinks?
I'm going to toilet, yeah?
Okay, what drinks? Pinkay, what do you want drinks? Huh? Slushy?
No slushy,
No, there's no slushy here. Alright, I'm gonna buy fish and chips. So what's that? Fish and chips? Undying fish and chips in England? Do you like your fish and chips? You? Oh, what's that? Poo? Fish and chips? You like? You like your fish and chips? Yeah. So ito yung pagkain na paborito ni Hana. But you don't like, you usually don't like fish, darling. But why you eating this fish and chips?
Fish and chips, that's different.
Different, but that's also fish.
But it's
Breaded.
breaded, yeah. Take,
Mm.
yeah? Take for them.
Sarap ah. Sarap ah.
So do you like the book?
Huh?
Like the book?
Ano?
My goodness, they're so loud.
Gusto magtampisaw ni Sofia sa dagat. So dito lang ako sa tabi-tabi. Papalamig. Ang lamig ngayon. Pero kaya pa naman ang katawan. Kaya hindi ko sinusuot yung aking sweatshirt. Pero si Sofia ay naghahanda para magtampisaw din sa dagat. Naiingit sa mga bata. Ganda dito yung background ko. Tingnan yung background. Diba? Maganda, diba? Ayos. So, siguro mag-stay pa ako dito sa dagat. Depende kung ilang minuto tayo rito. How many minutes, darling?
Oh, you gonna stay here?
Yeah, in
Not long, yeah?
just 1 hour, Pinkay, yeah?
1 hour,
Yeah?
yeah?
Pinkay? Okay, just 1 hour. Wow, after in the sea, ice cream. Right? Pinkay? You don't feel cold?
No.
Okay. Time to go back to York.
And in our hotel?
Yeah? Okay? Or mommy wants to have coffee first. Yeah?
195.
Huh?
195 cents.
No, I think you got wrong. They said it's at 220. Ayos. Ayos. Okay, okay. Oh. Okay. So then are we gonna have a coffee here? Upstairs here? Huh? Sa gitna kami ng sementeryo naglalakad. Ang luma, ito yung pinakalumang sementeryo ata dito. 1904. 1904. This one man died 1904.
94, that's so old.
1904. Died September 1839. He died. James died 1889. 1889. And March 1815. Alright. Yeah. I think that's all for today. And see you next time. Napagod si Japit Boy.